everyone, it's Fantasticairy here, back with another video, and in this week's video I'm going to be painting patches of grass. I've actually painted a couple pages like this in my previous videos, and it's been a while since I've painted patches of grass. It sounds boring, but it's actually really interesting and fun, and I do recommend trying it out. There's a lot of different textures and colors you can play with. Like here, I'm mixing brown, blues, and greens together. I'm pulling that wet on wet technique out of the composition to create little blades of grass. And then over top, I'll take a more saturated green and I'll flick in even more tiny blades of grass. Taking a darker shade of green, in which I mixed with a brown and Payne's gray. I'm flicking in even tinier over top of the other ones just to create some variety in the grass and layering. Painting patches of grass is also very good to practice layering techniques. As with watercolor, you can't usually paint over a dark color with a light color as it's not very opaque, so you really gotta kind of think ahead of what you want to do, or just experiment and have fun with it. After everything dries, as you can see here, we're adding some dirt using a brown kind of color, kind of sploshing it in with my round 01 brush. And then I was using this very interesting brush technique where I would take my shader brush to create more thicker kind of organic lines of grass that had a little bit more flow and exaggeration. Using the very fine tip of that shader brush. You can do a lot with these shader brushes. And then I'm going to go over top and I'm going to add in some darker lines to create this textured illusion of this ground for this certain patch of grass. Using that very fine tip to just add in some detail. Thought it'd be fun to give these little grasses some ball-shaped flower heads using my 0.5 round brush and just having fun with the details. From this point on, I'm going to let you guys enjoy the final reveal with some music, and I'll see you at the end for the end result. Creating these compositions of patches of grass, playing with a lot of different details and different thicknesses of grass, different colors using the wet on wet technique as well as the dry brush technique. And really, I used mostly the shader brush for these compositions and just did my details with my finer round tip brushes. The patches of grass make me excited for spring as it's getting warmer here. I'm happy to say that the snow is melting and signs of spring are everywhere with the birds and the different sounds, and I'm excited to paint outside again. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really appreciate all the comments below. They make me so happy. Thank you so much. Videos are uploaded Friday, either weekly or bi-weekly, but Friday is my upload schedule. You can find me in the social medias and the links in the description below, as well as my imprint shop, where I have some illustrations there to check out if you're interested. Thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you again soon for another video.